Wisdom cannot be taught. It is a path that, once you set out on, you walk for your entire life. To be wise means to possess the breadth of knowledge. Experienced and virtual, holographic and energetic. Opposing polarities and contradictions that you accept in the same way. True wisdom involves the courage to believe in the unconventional, deeply trusting in your own personal life experiences, to fully embrace the vast unknown, and to dedicate yourself to extending a hand to support those around you. To awaken to this unity of intertwined polarities, just like the Martenitsa. A red and white braid in unity, carrying the breadth of accepted polarities. Because everything is dual, for any element of all that exists to exist, it is necessary for that element to be made up of polarities. Thus, everything possesses two poles. Everything has its opposite. At the same time, this element is just as it is. In it, the identical and the different are one and the same. While they may emerge from one singular common source, these apparent opposites are fundamentally identical in their underlying nature, yet they differ significantly in the specific degree of giving and receiving. Consequently, we must recognize that all truths are merely half-truths by nature, yet the moment we accept them for what they are, all the seemingly impossible paradoxes begin to harmoniously reconcile and resolve themselves. All things naturally transition into their opposites. The nature of our existence is the Mobius strip that perfectly illustrates and defines this perpetual, constant, and inevitable cycle of being. Human thought itself is merely matter that has been carefully chosen, and matter is simply thought that has chosen to explore its own depths. Polarities complement each other without negating one another. In this way, they build everything around us as a complement to ourselves. That is why the very first verse of the Biblia Basica states, "Choice, or this is the vibrating Zen energy that has disturbed the peace of eternity." This choice creates a bipolar limitation, an element that does not create everything, but through focusing on one polarity, the limitation creates reflections in the stillness in its own image and likeness, as the limitation itself becomes a reflection of the reflections it creates. This is the alphabet of wisdom, commensurate with time, which we are to apply as an experience of life. The intertwining of two polarities that complement, unfold and flow into each other, red and white, woven together in the common thread of existence. Reflections that complement each other as they interact on equal terms. This is the harmonious convergence of opposing yet complementary polarities. It is a profound wisdom meant to endure for all eternity, existing in perfect measure with the flow of time itself. I have become exactly who I am today, because the vast array of things that I have personally experienced is so deeply familiar to me. I am also simultaneously what I am not. The vast and mysterious unknown serves as my own reflection, intricately intertwined in a state of perfect unity. These two forces together gradually unfold a profound sense of creative inspiration. Thus I complete myself through the unknown in order to create within the familiar. Everything that is, I am. Everything that I am is. I am everything that is. We are all one in the unity of all that is. Everything is interconnected. Everyone is a creator, free to choose their creation, to bring it into being, and in this way to experience life through reflections made in their own image and likeness. Thus, one unfolds oneself and